Sir, I would like to ask a question. Does R exist in Sanskritam?
Yes, the letter R exists in Sanskritam. The most amazing thing is that the first Ved known as Rig Veda, the very first mantra of that Ved is Agnimire Purohitam. Here in the very first mantra we see the letter R. But anywhere else you do not see this letter. So as a part of Varnamala, the R does not exist. As we all know that Maharshi Panini has given us the Sanskritam in a proper way. He has organized Sanskritam. He heard the 14 Maheshwar Sutrani and then he actually gave us the organized way of Sanskritam. So there you will not see this letter R. But at the same time, the Shiksha Granth of Maharshi Panini does have a shlok, Anuswaro Visargascha Kapau Chapi Parashrito, the Sprushto Chapi Vidneyo, Zakaro Pluta Evacha. Now here the Sprushta, he is referring this letter, this very letter, Ra only. Why? Because when there is E and A, and in between if you have D, then you do not speak D as just like D. Because when you try to speak it, automatically the concept of Sukhucharan, it automatically happens that when you say, for example, Agnimire, now when there's E and D and A, so D is in between. This is where automatically D becomes R, that is Dakarasya Rakarah Bhavati. That is how R is pronounced. So in Sanskrit Varnamala, you do not see R, but at the same time, when you refer Paniniyashiksha, then it is mentioned how R is pronounced. So when you speak various letters, certain sounds come automatically from your mouth. You don't intend to speak it, but it automatically happens. So R is something known as the Sprishta, and it does exist. Rishi Panini has mentioned about R in Paniniyashiksha. We have a dedicated course on Paniniyashiksha which explains Paniniyashiksha in the most easiest way with the modern approach. Not only that, it teaches you the fundamentals of Sanskritam, the Varnamala, the pronunciation, and a lot.